Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you some troubleshooting procedure to fix App Store keep asking for App Store password instead of Face ID and Touch ID. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first and basic method is restart your iPhone. For that, first launch settings, then tap General and tap Shutdown. Drag the slider to power off, wait for a couple of minutes, then turn on back. After restart, we go for solution number 2. Refresh Face ID or Touch ID setting for App Store purchases. For that, first launch settings, then tap Face ID or Touch ID and passcode. Enter your iPhone passcode. Now turn off iTunes and App Store and also turn off password autofill. Now force close setting app and also force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until Apple logo appears. And after the forced restart, same go back to settings, Face ID or Touch ID and passcode, put iPhone passcode and enable iTunes and App Store and also enable password autofill. Now we go for solution number 3. Reset Face ID or Touch ID. For that, first launch settings, then tap Face ID or Touch ID and passcode, put iPhone passcode and tap finger or Face ID and delete Face ID and fingerprint. Now force close setting app and lock your iPhone for a couple of minutes, then turn on back and go back to settings and Face ID or Touch ID, put iPhone passcode and add again finger or Face ID. And also we have to make sure that iTunes and App Store and password autofill is enabled. Now we go for solution number 4. Reset all settings. This process will delete all your customer setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. For that, first launch settings, then tap General and tap Reset and tap Reset all settings, put iPhone passcode and tap again Reset all settings in pop-up window to confirm your action. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.